This is Sarah, and today I'm working on Noodle's big kid feet. So if you remember from my last video, I had decided that I was going to double the number of toes Noodle had per feet, which means that instead of the original 8 that I had designed, he's going to have 16 now, which is awesome. I used the new filament that I got, the beautiful white and red filament, to print out all of the modified pieces, and I am currently assembling a complete tasting foot that will probably be the final rendition, I'm thinking. I'm about to install the motors, and so long as those actually drive the toes and the tongue darts out the bottom just the same way as with the previous iteration of the foot, the prototype, then I'm gonna call it done, for now, at least. So this is the new completed assembly next to the old assembly, and as you can see, this guy has the 8 toes here at the bottom, and the new one has twice as many! Yay! Aren't they sharp? So I just plugged the motor of the toe apparatus into Noodle's brain, and it is either not strong enough to drive the toes out of their sheaths, or more likely the plastic that's holding this together is too soft and it is bending before the toes actually do anything. So what's supposed to happen, let me show you. The motor is essentially rotating that gear and it's driving the planetary system that's attached to the cam in a circle, and as the cam sort of moves, rotates, it will push this ring on the top here down and it will drive the toes out the bottom, and then they'll get sucked back up. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with that, but for now the toes are a no-go. So I went ahead and hooked up Noodle's tongue to his brain on the pin that would normally be controlling his eyeballs. Sorry, Noodle. And as you can see, it's darting. He's a poker. He's gonna lick you. Lick. So if you didn't know this, Noodle loves all of my patrons very, very, very much because you guys help me afford things like upgrades for him, which he thinks is awesome. Because mommy's broke, right? Like, I can barely afford cornflakes for him, and that's bad. Or beans. Yeah. But I do the best I can, right? Yeah. Beans.